Hi, to delete all bloatware on your POCO X7 Pro, just open Settings, then scroll down and here find your Apps tab. Now you'll see list of your apps. You can sort it by app name or by used recently or by storage used and installation time. I suggest you to enable storage use because you'll see which app took most of the storage space, and if you don't use this app you can immediately delete it. So also you can tap on three dots and select to show all apps, and in that case you would see your system apps as well. So let's hide system services. And now I can see many games from Xiaomi and I don't need them. For example, I don't need this Blockbust. So to actually delete it, I would need to tap this recycle bin and option uninstall and then tap OK. So confirm that it will remove all of the app's data as well. And also please note that some apps you cannot delete. For example, default gallery app you cannot delete, but you can uninstall updates or you can force stop this app. But in my case, this option is currently unavailable, but I can clear cache of this app, so let's do it and free up some storage space. Great, now let's go back, check OneDrive, and OneDrive we can actually uninstall. So if you want to do it just as I showed you before, tap this recycle bin. And I don't know what that is, but I think this is like POCO game. So I'm gonna uninstall it. I don't use it. And just do the same with every app you see in this list. And if you don't use it much, then I suggest you to delete everything to free up some storage space. So yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.